This rare but stylish Audi A3 8V 1.8 Quattro sedan came to us looking innocent enough until we checked the oil. Or should we say, what was left of it? So we did what any proper workshop would do. Spark plugs? Checked.
Start.
Cylinder pressure test? Done. Digital cylinder scope? Yes, we went in deep. CSI Miami style. And what did we find? Oil. Leaking. On the cylinder wall.
Like a bad romantic comedy movie. It was messy and someone was definitely getting burned.
Now let's talk valve seals. Tiny things. Their job? Keep oil out of the combustion chamber. But when they fail? Well, they fail real bad. They're supposed to block oil from sneaking into the combustion chamber. Instead of doing their job, they let oil sneak into places it doesn't belong. Like that one friend who keeps showing up to meetings they weren't invited to. Result? Your engine starts burning oil like a chimney. Your exhaust smokes like a 90s nightclub. And your wallet? Yeah, it starts crying. So if your oil keeps disappearing, or you see a puff of smoke when you start your car, please do not ignore it. That's your engine begging for help. And guess what? Checking is free at Subsonique's garage. No tricks, no smoke. Just answers. Subsonique's garage. Driven to serve. And occasionally, often enough, driven to save engines from slow and fiery death.